So this episode we'll make our own dry box. So what is a dry box or a dry cabinet? According to Google, it's a storage container where the interior is kept at a low level of humidity. That's all you need. Okay, so the first step in making your own dry box is subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yes, do it now. Thank you. Now we can start with the less important steps. Pour the silica gel crystals into a dry cloth bag and place it as shown. These silica gel crystals will absorb the moisture in the container. Place the hydrometer in such a way that it can be seen and read from the outside. Fit a bulb holder onto the side of the container using a screwdriver and a drill. See, I live in a hostel, I don't have the equipment. So, I'll jugaad. After installing the holder, fit a bulb into it. Carefully place the absorbent and the hydrometer inside the container. Switch on the light and close the lid. Wait for the humidity in the box to fall to around 35%. Switch off the light and store your gear in them. Your gear will be safe from fungus. So there you have it, your own dry box. Don't keep the light switched on all the time. Switch it off when the humidity drops below 35% and switch it on if the humidity rises above 40%. That should keep your lenses safe. Did you subscribe to my channel?